In today's video, I will walk you through how to create 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you do not have it installed yet, you can download it from the official Adobe website and access Photoshop through the Creative Cloud app. Once Photoshop is open, create a new document or open an existing project where you want to place your text effect. Start by selecting the text tool and type your text onto the canvas. In this example, I'm using a bold font style because it works really well for a 3D effect and helps the shadow details stand out more clearly on screen. Next, open the Layer Style options and choose Drop Shadow. A settings window will appear. Follow the same settings shown on screen, and for the shadow color, select black. This shadow will help create the depth needed for the 3D look. Once you finish adjusting the settings, press OK. Now press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform mode. While the transform box is active, press the up arrow key once and the left arrow key once. Then press Enter to confirm the transformation. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and T together multiple times. This shortcut repeats the previous transformation while also creating copies of the layer. Keep pressing it until the 3D depth becomes visible and the text starts forming that stacked perspective effect. Once the copies are created, hold Shift and select both the top layer and the bottom layer in the Layers panel. This will highlight all the duplicated layers together. Now press Ctrl and G to group them into a folder. Grouping the layers helps keep the project organized and also makes it easier to apply effects to the entire 3D text at the same time. With the group selected, open Layer Style again and choose Drop Shadow one more time. Follow the settings shown on screen to add the final shadow effect. This helps blend the layers together and gives the text a stronger dimensional appearance. And that's how you can create a clean 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop using layer duplication and shadow styling techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.